Right, Village Used Cars, Renault at North Lakes. There is a Calais V wagon here, white, 33,390. How many kilometers has it done? 32,800. Window tint's pretty dark, automatic, as you can see in there. The tyres look not too bad. Walk around this side. Big bird shit on the side of it. Sure that doesn't come with the car when you purchase it. Yep, that's at Village Motors Renault at North Lakes, Calais V wagon. And I've just seen inside the dealership, it's under lock and key, being a Sunday. We've got a VF Maloo in the dealership inside, and we've also got a SS Ute. And we've got two other VE HSVs in here as well. Interesting. You can see in there. Of course you can't get in there being Sunday, it's locked. Might drop back maybe during the week. I do have a job just up the street. I might just drop back and have a look at that. Also see one of those Mazda things they call Commodores over here. Just gonna have a quick look at this shitty thing. Never seen one up very close. How many kilometers has this thing done? 12 kilometers. It's the next demo. The old Mazda 6 as they are called, rebadged as a Commodore. Well, that's Village Used Cars at North Lakes. Okay, first VF is a Fantail SV6. Got some decent tyres on it, look like brand new actually. It's a Series 1 obviously for a VF in Fantail. Didn't make them in Series 2. 22,999. Seems a bit expensive. Actually the window's down. Interior looks alright. Let's walk around to the other side there, have a look. Yeah, not too bad. Side vents have been changed to black. Black side strip on it. Always loved me Fantail from the first SS that I had in Fantail. Yeah, it's at a place called Carmine. Come down and have a look.